Hello, all my Wildcats. We're going to get started again with today's math lesson. We are learning about standard, word, expanded, and pictorial form. So let's get started. The first word we are going to learn about is standard form. Standard form is the normal way we are used to saying a word. Okay, a way to write a number using only digits, so 364. Expanded is a way to write the number that shows the place value of each digit. So for example, on this one, we see 364 is 300 plus 60 plus 4. That is expanded form. And then word form is the number written out in words. So for example here, 45 is written out 45. That's the word form. And then pictorial form is just another way to do it using your base 10 blocks like we have already been doing this week. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this looks like. Alright, standard form. So standard form, I said, is like what you're used to seeing. So I'm going to give us the number 54. So when we do expanded form, it's going to look like 50 plus 4, which equals 54. Now, word form is going to be 54. Now, Mrs. Travis is going to give you an attached sheet with this lesson where it has all the words and how to spell them, okay? So don't worry about spelling, we'll get it all figured out. Pictorial form is just like what we've been doing. So in our tens, we have 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in our ones place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are our different ways to do the numbers. Standard, the number 54. Expanded, 50 plus 4 equals 54. Written out, 54. And right here, the picture version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which also is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. 54. Let's go ahead and do another one. Okay. Let's try the number 72. Okay, let's try the number 72. Expanded form is going to be 70 because we have 7 in the tens place, plus 2, a 2 in the ones place equals 72. Word form, 70. 2. Okay, and then pictorial form is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 ones. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70, 172. Okay, and if it helps you, you can do your tens and ones charts. Okay, so you can do tens and ones. 72. 7 in the 10, 2 in the ones place. Okay, let's try to do one on your own. All right, let's try the number 35. So I want you to pause this video and try to work on it by yourself to see if you can figure it out. All right, those of us watching, we're going to continue on. Expanded form. Expanded form is going to look like 30 plus 5 ones equals 35. Okay? Word form. 30 5. Okay? 35. Now our picture form, we're going to do our tens first. 1, 2, 3, because we have 10, 20, 30, and we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. We had our tens and our ones. 3's a little sideways. 35. How are you guys feeling so far? Are you feeling good? We don't know yet. Or terrible, we don't know it at all. Either way, it's fine. Okay? We're going to continue working and growing our brains. Okay, we're going to do one more together. Or one more you're going to try by yourself, and then we'll go over it together. Okay? This number is 86. So go ahead and pause this if you're doing it on your own and see if you can figure this one out. And then play the video when you're ready to move on. All right, let's do our tens and our ones. So we have an 8 in the tens place and a 6 in the ones place. Expanded form. Expanded form is going to look like 80 plus 6 equals 86. Word form is going to look like 80 6. Okay, and our pictorial form is going to look like before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count them again to just make sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which equals 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So we have 86. All right. Today's lesson, I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, today's lesson is already online for you in your Google Classroom. And you're going to be working today just like we did during this video. It's going to be the same thing. So during these, you're going to drag the check mark to the right form. So this one says drag the check mark to the number in word form. Okay, this one is standard form and expanded form. And if you get confused, Mrs. Chavez has made it where you can hear me talk about what the directions are for each slide. This slide, you don't have to do anything on. This is just an example. So right here, you're going to see the word in standard form, word form, expanded form, and pictorial form. So you can use this as an example. So 65, and we've written it out, 65, 60 plus 5, and we drew the picture. So you're going to do the same thing on these other two right here. Okay? Now remember, if you have any questions, feel free to join my office hours and send me an email if you need any help with anything, okay? Have a great day.